There's something about the horizon, something distant, something unreachable, yet always calling. It sits there quietly, where the sky meets the earth, whispering possibilities we haven't lived yet. Every sunrise feels like a second chance, a chance to step beyond the ordinary, to leave behind the familiar, and to follow that quiet pull into the unknown. Because deep down we all feel it. That urge to go, to explore, to see what's out there, beyond the limits we've set for ourselves. The ocean doesn't rush, yet it never stops moving. Wave after wave, it reshapes the shore. Patient, powerful, endless. Standing there, listening to its rhythm, you realize how small your worries really are. The world is vast, and full of moments like this. Simple, beautiful, and completely unforgettable. And maybe that's the point of travel, not to escape life, but to experience it more deeply than ever before. Then there are places that never sleep, cities that pulse with energy, where every street corner holds a new story. The lights, the movement, the noise. It's chaotic, overwhelming, and somehow inspiring. You become part of something bigger, a rhythm shared by millions of strangers, all chasing their own version of a dream. And in that chaos, you find a strange kind of clarity. A reminder that life is happening everywhere, all at once. But not every journey is loud. Some paths lead you inward, in the quiet of the forest, with nothing but the sound of your footsteps, and the whisper of the wind through the trees. You begin to slow down. You notice things you've forgotten. The texture of the earth, the smell of rain, the way silence can feel so full. And somewhere along that path, without even realizing it, you start to reconnect with yourself. From above, the world looks different. Rivers carve their way through valleys. Waterfalls fall endlessly without hesitation. And mountains stand as quiet witnesses to time itself. Nature doesn't question where it's going. It simply flows, grows, and becomes. And maybe there's something we can learn from that, to trust the journey, to embrace the unknown, and to keep moving forward, even when the path isn't clear. Travel isn't just about the places you see. It's about the people you meet along the way. Different languages, different traditions, different lives. Yet somehow, a smile means the same everywhere. You share moments with strangers, who, for a brief second, become part of your story. A conversation, a laugh, a meal. Simple connections that stay with you long after you've left. And you begin to realize, the world isn't as divided as it seems. It's beautifully, endlessly connected. As the sun begins to set, the world slows down once again. The sky turns gold, then crimson, then fades into deep blue. Reminder that endings can be just as beautiful as beginnings. And when night falls, the stars appear, quiet, distant, eternal. In that moment, under an endless sky, you feel both small and infinite at the same time, like you're just a tiny part of something vast, and yet exactly where you're meant to be. So go, pack your bags, take the risk, follow the feeling. Step into the unknown, even if you don't have all the answers. Because the truth is, the best journeys aren't planned perfectly. They're felt. They change you, shape you, challenge you, and bring you closer to who you really are. So chase the horizon. Get lost in the beauty of the world. Because sometimes, losing your way is exactly how you find yourself.